Top 5 Best Robot Vacuums of 2024. Maintaining a clean home amidst the daily chaos of life, children, and work can be quite challenging. The arrival of robot vacuums has changed the game, providing unmatched convenience and effectiveness. These modern gadgets, controlled by smartphone or voice commands, are essential for maintaining clean living spaces. Considerations for choosing a robot vacuum. Suction power. Suction power is crucial for a robot vacuum as it determines its ability to lift and remove dirt and debris from different floor surfaces. Look for a model with adjustable suction strengths to cater to various cleaning needs, and consider the type of brush rolls it uses, as this can affect its cleaning performance and maintenance requirements. Battery life. The battery life of a robot vacuum is essential, especially for larger homes. Longer battery life ensures that the vacuum can cover more ground without needing frequent recharging, allowing it to complete cleaning cycles efficiently. Consider the size of your living space and opt for a robot vacuum with a battery life that suits your needs. Navigation and obstacle avoidance. Efficient navigation and obstacle avoidance are key features to look for in a robot vacuum. Advanced navigation technologies such as laser mapping and visual simultaneous localization and mapping, VSLAM, enable the vacuum to move systematically and avoid obstacles, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning without getting stuck or missing spots. Connectivity and smart features. Wi-Fi connectivity and smart features such as app control, scheduling, and voice command support enhance the usability of a robot vacuum. These features allow for convenient remote control and monitoring, as well as the creation of personalized cleaning schedules, making the cleaning process more seamless and adaptable to your lifestyle. Best robot vacuums in the current market. Best overall robotic vacuum. irobot Roomba S9 Plus self-emptying. Users love the irobot Roomba S9 Plus for its exceptional cleaning performance, intelligent navigation, and convenient features. Its ability to adapt to different floor surfaces, navigate around obstacles, and deliver thorough cleaning results consistently makes it a favorite among homeowners seeking a hassle-free cleaning solution for their homes. Pros. Smart navigation tech maps and cleans precisely. Filter captures allergens for cleaner air. Automatic dirt disposal means no manual emptying. Customizable cleaning with smart mapping. Great at cleaning different floors. Cons. Costs more than other robot vacuums. Some users might have trouble with the app sometimes. Best budget pick robotic vacuum cleaner. Eufy RoboVac G30. Users appreciate the Eufy RoboVac G30 for its affordability, efficient cleaning performance, and user-friendly design. Its straightforward setup process, intuitive controls, and low maintenance requirements make it a favorite among budget-conscious consumers looking for a convenient and effective cleaning solution for their homes. Pros. Affordable price makes it great for budget-conscious buyers. Cleans well on different floors with Boost IQ technology. Smart navigation avoids obstacles and covers well. Slim design fits under furniture easily. Easy maintenance and user-friendly design. Cons. Doesn't have all the fancy features of pricier models. Sometimes needs manual help with tangled hair or debris. Best mopping robot vacuum. Roborock S7 Max V Ultra. Users love the Roborock S7 Max V Ultra for its exceptional mopping performance, versatile cleaning capabilities, and user-friendly design. This robot vacuum and mop combo simultaneously saves time and effort, while its customizable cleaning modes and app-based controls offer convenience and flexibility. Pros. Vacuuming and mopping capabilities. Vibra Rise Mop Lifting Technology. Hot water mop washing feature. Customizable modes and app controls are easy to use. Cons. Shorter battery life than some competitors. Higher price point compared to standard robot vacuums. Best buy for pet hair. irobot Roomba J7 Plus. Users love the irobot Roomba J7 Plus for its exceptional performance in dealing with pet hair, as well as its advanced navigation capabilities and user-friendly design. Its ability to navigate efficiently around obstacles, adapt to different floor surfaces, and provide thorough cleaning results make it a favorite among pet owners seeking a hassle-free solution for maintaining a clean and pet-friendly home environment. Pros. Precision vision navigation ensures thorough cleaning, even with pets. High-efficiency filter captures pet hair and allergens for cleaner air. Pet Owner's Cleanup Kit has special tools for pet hair removal. Strong suction and dual rubber brushes remove pet hair from surfaces. Advanced navigation and user-friendly design make it easy to use. Cons. May not be necessary for users who do not have pets. Costs more than other robot vacuums. Some users might have trouble with the app sometimes. Best Quietest Robot Vacuum. Wyze Robot Vacuum. Users love the Wyze vacuum for its quiet operation, powerful cleaning performance, and user-friendly features. Its ability to navigate efficiently, combined with its customizable cleaning schedules and smartphone app integration, makes it a favorite among those looking for a convenient and hassle-free cleaning solution for their homes. Pros. Quiet operation. Strong suction and effective brush design. Smart mapping and navigation. Slim design and advanced obstacle detection. Customizable cleaning schedules and smartphone app. Cons. Relatively short battery life. Occasional issues with getting stuck. Final thoughts. The evolution of robot vacuums has transformed the way we approach home cleaning, offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency. With their advanced features and diverse capabilities, robot vacuums have truly revolutionized the concept of home maintenance, making it easier and more manageable for individuals with busy lifestyles. If you're considering investing in a robot vacuum, I highly recommend exploring the options available and finding the perfect fit for your home.